Hello, you are welcome to another interesting content today. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to make use of kitchen waste like potato peels, yam peels, banana peels, plantain peels, and other peels that you generate from your kitchen to produce a very good quality feed for your poultry and livestock animals, most especially chickens. I have received a lot of questions concerning this particular topic. That's why I decided to make it so that you have an idea on how to go about it. There are two major ways you can process the kitchen peels into poultry feed. You have cassava peel. Cassava peels have anti-nutritional factors. It has an acidic factor that deters you using it directly to process or to produce poultry or livestock feed. It has cyanuric acid, which is dangerous if chicken or any other livestock animals consume it in larger quantity. So that is why you need to process it. This potato peel also and other peels have anti-nutritional factors. And to make them richer, you need to process them in a usable format. In this particular content, I'm going to guide you on two major ways you can process them. One, for cassava peel, you can ferment it up to 48 hours. Then for potato peels, you can as well ferment them and use them as weight feed to your chicken. You have seen how we did it in other videos. What you do is ferment them up to 5 to 7 days. They will become soft. Then you grind them. Either you grind them or use your hand and squeeze them, or use mortar or whatever means you can make them, turn them into porridge. Then mix them with the normal commercial feed. Or if you are processing your own feed in your farm, which is the best, you can now use the corn, soya bean, then groundnut cake, pancake cake, wheat offal, rice bran, and others. Have a very good feed formula. Mix those peas to the ratio depending on your feed formula. Then for all these peas like potato peas, you can as well ferment them. Banana peas, you can as well ferment them. How do you do that? That's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. Right now, I have my small kitchen knife here. I have banana peel. I have banana here. I have banana peel here. I have plantain peel. I have the potato here. What you do is in your kitchen, you peel this. You don't throw them away. You have potato you want to eat. Peel them off. Don't throw the peels away while you are still a farmer. These peels has great quantity of nutrients that can serve your poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time drop the feed cost. So your feeding becomes less while you maximize your profit without compromising the health of your poultry animals. You can see this is peel. You can see it here. This is another one. Peel them off the normal way. Eat the main tuber. Give the peas to your chicken. Yes, for years back, many farmers knows that we can use these peas to feed goats, cows, sheep, cattle, and others. But little do they know that these peas can be converted into chicken feed. That is exactly what we are doing here right now. I will only peel few of them because this is for demonstration purpose. You have these women or these restaurants where they have large quantity of peas, yam peas, cocoyam peas, and others. Go there and buy it from them. They will not sell it at a costly price. Most of the times, they will even ask you to pack it free. Because sometimes if nobody comes for it, they will pay people money to pack it for them. So this is the piece, exactly what we are doing here. I won't like this video to be too long, so I have to cut some of these things very short. I only want to tell you how you're going to do it so that you do it better. Now, you have two major ways of processing it. After this peeling, take it to the sun, spread them very well and dry them. Dry them up to 75 to 80% moisture removed completely. Become safe for your poultry. Into smaller pieces. You can see them here. All these are peas. These are peas. This is banana. Remove the peels. These are plantain peas. All these are kitchen waste. They are all kitchen waste. You can see them here. These are peas. There are two major ways. Either I take this now to the sun to spray it. Spray it on the sun to dry very well. After drying, grind it to powder format, depending on the type of chicken you want to use it for. You can use it for chickens, every poultry beds. You can use it for fish feed. You can use it for four-legged animals. When we're talking about four-legged animals, we're talking about sheep, goat, cow, and rest of them. Now, you want to ferment this. What do? Gather them like this. As I'm going to do it now, soak them in water. That's exactly what I'm going to do. After soaking them in water, 48 hours is okay. If you want them to ferment quickly, add enzyme or probiotic. That will enable and quicken the fermentation process. So everything will get done between 5 to 7 days. It's done. It becomes soft. Once it's soft, what you do is just to press it together. That's the only thing you do. And if you don't have a grinding machine, if you have a grinding machine or glitter, the one they use to grind cassava when they are processing garri, you can use it. This particular machine is used to grind the dried peas into powder format. Thereafter grinding, you sieve it, filter the chaff out and leave the main starch. Here is the next process. This is the use of fermentation method. As I earlier discussed, gather all the sliced peas and pour them inside bowl. Add water and add enzyme for it to ferment between 24 to 48 hours. 200 ml of the enzyme is okay for you to ferment up to 20 to 50 kg. Make sure you turn the fermentation process on daily basis to allow the gas to go out. After fermenting, mix with your feed and feed your chickens. While feeding to your chickens, make sure you have a very good feed formula. Use 10% of the fermented peas and 90% of the either commercial feed or do it yourself feed, and feed your chicken and you get the best result. Mix the fermented peas with dry feed and feed to your chickens. During the mixture, the water content is reduced. Chickens enjoy eating the fermented food because it is highly digestible and easily convertible. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Make sure you share this video, and if you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic, drop it on the comment section. I will gladly answer you. And if you need a feed formula on this particular fermented peas, drop it on the comment section also, and make sure you watch the next video loading very soon. Bye till I come with that particular video. Don't go far.